Today, we're diving into the ultimate showdown, WooCommerce versus Shopify. Which platform is right for your business? We'll be taking a look at both of these platforms and judging them based on how simple and straightforward their offerings are for an e-commerce business that is just starting out. So let's break it down. First up, let's talk ease of use. Shopify shines with its user-friendly interface and all-in-one solution, perfect for beginners or those wanting a hassle-free setup. With Shopify, everything you need is built in. Hosting, security, and robust support system. It's all there, making it simple to scale as your business grows. Now, if you're looking for flexibility and customization, WooCommerce might be your go-to. It's a powerful plugin for WordPress, ideal for those who want full control and already have a WordPress site. WooCommerce offers extensive customization options. You can tweak almost every aspect of your store, but it requires a bit more technical know-how and additional plugins for certain features. Shopify knocks it out of the park with this one. When it comes to support, Shopify excels with 24/7 customer service. Their quality and speed may depend on what plan you're using, but all of the plans offer 24/7 support nonetheless. WooCommerce relies more on community support and documentation, which might be a plus if you prefer crowdsourced solutions instead of person-to-person assistance. In our opinion, Shopify pulls an RKO out of nowhere with this one. Let's talk costs. Shopify has a straightforward pricing model, but additional apps can add up. WooCommerce is free initially, but you might need to invest in hosting, security, and premium plugins. And this one will have to be a tie. While Shopify's pricing model is pretty straightforward, WooCommerce is initially free, but as you scale might or might not end up costing more than it would with Shopify. It would really depend case by case, so there is no clear winner here. Mobile optimization is crucial. Both platforms offer responsive designs, but Shopify's themes are often more polished, out of the box, while WooCommerce offers more control if you're willing to tinker. Shopify scores a knockout with this one. So what's the bottom line? Based on our judgment for a business that is just starting out, Shopify is a clear winner with a score of 3-0 in their favor. Choose Shopify if you want a straightforward, scalable solution with excellent support. But that doesn't mean that WooCommerce doesn't have strengths of their own. If you are the nifty, tinkery type of person that wants as much flexibility and personalization as possible, opt for WooCommerce, and your wishes will be fulfilled. Think of Shopify as assembling furniture from IKEA with clear instructions and all tools included, making it straightforward and hassle-free. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is like building a custom furniture from scratch. You have the freedom to design it exactly how you want, but you'll need to source your materials, tools, and plans, requiring more effort and skill. And it's entirely up to you which you prefer more. No matter which platform you choose, Omnisend has got you covered with powerful marketing tools to grow your business. Both platforms seamlessly integrate with Omnisend, making marketing your top sellers a breeze. Collect subscribers, send campaigns, collect reviews, and set up marketing automations. Think of Omnisend as the Shopify of marketing automation platforms, all under one roof. Check out the link below and get started for free. Happy selling, marketers.